So you need new replacement salt cell for a sanitizing system? Well, let's take a look at two options you have. One is the OEM cell, which is you really can't see inside of it unless you look carefully through these slits. And we have here the proven Scepter Salt Cell, which is clear so you can tell when it needs to be cleaned. We have been making the Scepters since 2018 with thousands of satisfied customers. We also have a dedicated support line, which you can call or text any questions you have, or contact us on our website, where you can call 844-468-8828 to get your questions answered. Again, that's 844-468-8828, and we'll help you with any problems you may have. Typically, the biggest problem that we see when people go to put in a new salt cell is the actual salt levels. A lot of times they'll add more salt to keep the original cell working, and when you put a new one in, it's not going to register correctly. So biggest thing, get your salt down to around 15 to 1600 parts per million using a test strip, and that would solve a majority of issues that people have when they swap out to a new cell. So the whole process will only take you about 15-20 minutes. And again, if you get stuck, just give us a call or a text, and we'll be there to help. Thanks very much.